It's fall season. As most of the things in our garden are dying back, it's time to put garlic in the ground. In this brief video, I will cover all aspects of planting garlic in the fall season. Garlic can be planted either in fall or in the spring. Fall planting garlic usually produces bigger bulbs than the garlic planted in spring. When planting in fall, you want to give your garlic enough time to produce good strong roots, but not enough time to grow green tops. In northern climates, the ideal time is after the first couple of light freezes and before the first hard freeze. I am in zone 6B, and around here garlic is planted at the end of October. If green shoots show ahead of winter's onset, this will not hurt the plant. These shoots will die back and start growing again in the spring. You can buy seed garlic from the grocery store or from a certified seed supplier. Both options have their pros and cons. Store-bought garlic may be sprayed with a growth inhibitor to elongate its shelf life. When planted, this garlic may show stunted growth or not grow at all, but you pay less for this garlic. On the other hand, when you buy from a certified seed supplier, then the quality is guaranteed, but you pay a premium price. I would recommend buying from a certified seed supplier. Also, not all garlic varieties do well in all growing regions. So find out what varieties do well in your area, then pick a few. Once you have sourced your garlic, inspect the bulbs to see any signs of damage. Check to see if the bulb has healthy root system, a strong white stem and firm cloves. Now separate the individual cloves from the bulb and size them into three categories as small, medium and large. We are only going to plant large cloves. Bigger cloves produce bigger garlic bulbs as they have more nutrients in store to support the plant through the winter and provide extra disease protection. Leave the skins on the cloves as it helps to resist moisture. Check the separated cloves and discard the ones that show any signs of damage. Garlic cloves are sometimes treated before planting. One practice is to soak the garlic cloves overnight in baking soda solution as a protection against diseases. The other practice is to soak garlic overnight in the seaweed solution as it is a root stimulant and helps garlic to root faster. The faster the garlic gets established in the ground, the healthier the plant is going to be. Garlic loves well-worked, fast-draining soil with lots of organic matter. I am mixing in compost to add organic matter to the soil. Give a gentle feed of any general purpose fertilizer. Like all root crops, garlic likes fertilizer rich in phosphorus like bone meal. Garlic is not fond of nitrogen, so make sure you pick the right fertilizer. Raised beds are a great option to grow garlic as they drain freely. Plant garlic in the full sun, meaning the spot in your garden that gets sunlight throughout the day. Also make sure this area of the garden have some protection from winds. Garlic does not like high winds. Garlic does not compete well with weeds as well. So make sure the planting site remain clear of all weeds throughout the growing season. Otherwise, you will end up with the smaller garlic bulbs. Crop rotation is a good gardening practice in general, which applies to garlic as well. So I try to grow garlic in different spots every year. Ideal planting depth for garlic is 3 to 4 inches. If you plant deeper than that, then the garlic will have tough time sending shoots through the soil. If you plant too shallow, the garlic will push itself out of the ground as the roots develop. The ideal spacing for garlic is 4 to 6 inches apart. If you plant closer than that, then the garlic would still grow, but the bulb size might be smaller. Plant individual cloves pointy side up. Or if you are not sure, lay it down on its side and the garlic will figure it out. I always wanted to know what would happen if I plant the cloves upside down and if I plant a full garlic bulb. So here's our experiment. Water lightly to remove any air gaps and to make sure that garlic makes good contact with the soil. Cover the garlic with mulch after planting, especially in northern climates. Mulching has many benefits. This will protect the garlic from extreme winters of the north. Mulch also holds snow on the bed that acts as extra insulation. It also provides protection from rapid freeze-thaw cycles. In the spring, it also prevents ground from warming up too quickly, and it acts as a weed barrier to suppress weeds throughout the summer. Not to mention, you'll need to water less as it would help retain moisture. And that's it. You are all set. Here's a cheat sheet for your easy review. Till next time, happy gardening.